What is up guys, done at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi keeps stopping or just turns off automatically. So first you need to head over to the settings by just clicking on this Windows button and then search for settings. After searching for settings, simply click on the settings application, and after clicking on settings application you need to head over to network and internet, and after heading here you need to go to the Wi-Fi. I'm sorry guys, you just simply need to head over to advanced network settings after going to the internet network and internet section. Click on advanced network settings, and from here you need to click on network reset. After clicking, you just simply need to click on reset now and then click on yes to reset your network and internet section. So this will just refresh and then start with a new fresh start. And the another way is to open the CMD in the administrator way. So click on run as administrator and then click on yes. After that, you just simply need to give a command sfc space slash scan now. And after giving this command, simply hit enter. So this will start checking all the files and folders in your computer. So if any of the file or folder is malicious, or if it's not working, or if it's giving an error, this will show you, just so you can just simply delete it. Sometimes the files and folders also cause this Wi-Fi issue. So this is how you can solve it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.